The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Broome County, Western Delaware County, Northern Sullivan County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was Elmira moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 70 mile/hour wind gust and $50 size hail. Impact. Expected considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding and trees. For your protection, move to lowest floor of a building.